In the Tables pane, choose Companies, and then we'll choose File, Print, Print Preview, and then if you notice at the bottom, we're on page 1, so if you click all the way through it, page 2, 3, 4, and 5, the last page. And then we're going to choose right now it's in Portrait, we'll change it to Landscape, and then what we'll do now is we'll change the margins from 1 inch, margins from the normal 1 inch to narrow, and then we reduced it from 5 pages to 3. So we'll go back to the first page, so previous, or you could just click the take you back to the first page. And then we'll click the Save button. And then we'll close the Print Preview. And then we're going to change the font type Arial Narrow, and the size to 12. And then we're going to change the font color to dark blue from the standard colors. And then we'll click the alternate arrow, here we go, the next one over. Alternate row color, choose the down arrow, and for the alternate row color, we're going to choose again in the alternate let me just back up here. In the alternate row color, click the down arrow. From the standards, you're going to choose white. And then we'll click File, Print, Print Preview, and there you have it. Go ahead and save and submit. Make sure that you right-click on Companies tab and close. Yes to save. Make sure you save and submit. Thank you.